Yeah, what's that all about?
Welcome back, guys. As you can see, we're in a different scenery. It's nice weather outside, which is pretty rare in Belgium. So we figured, why don't do it? Why don't we do it outside?
Exactly. So Jones, for today, the topic is if you could choose a superpower, which one would you choose and what would you do with it?
um,
So Jones, what would you choose?
I think I'm. It's either invisibility or time travel.
Why?
I don't know. If you're invisible, and then you can do all sorts of sketchy stuff.
Like being a perv, like
Yeah.
going to the girls' bathroom,
Stuff
checking
like
those
that.
shit. Yeah, you're a naughty boy.
And like stealing stuff, and nobody will notice.
They just see something floating. It's like,
Exactly.
what a ghost.
Yeah, you could be a brilliant magician.
Yeah,
Like that. You could do that. That
You
would
could-
be crazy.
that would be real crazy. You could be like, now I'm going to make myself disappear. Ta-da! Yeah. And why time travel?
I know you can go in the future, check some stuff out like lottery numbers and stuff like that. You can come back and then fill in the numbers, or you can be the inventor of the cell phone, like invent it a year before it was supposed to be invented.
So instead of Da Vinci, you could be Da Jonesy.
Exactly.
Yeah, that would be real great actually.
And you, what would you choose?
Well, my first option would have been reality warping, but that's too overpowered. I could do everything with reality, like it's the only thing we know. So I could be like God. That's a flower. Now it's a horse. That's just too powerful. So the next I would choose is like kinetic absorption. It's also powerful, but not as that powerful. That would be like everything that has to do with movement or kinetic energy.
Yeah.
I absorb, I get stronger, faster, and I heal a lot
So-
quicker.
So if I hit you, you absorb it.
Yeah, you can hit me as fast as you want, but actually that would be like this then. It stops the moment you touch me, so I absorb everything. So if I'm walking down the street, minding my own business, oh look, the sun is shining, yeah, ta-da. There comes a car crashing into me. Poof. I absorb the kinetic energy and I'd be like, oh look, it's a fly. The car flies all the way back into a building or stuff like that. That would be cool.
Yeah, you could do really cool magic tricks with that as well. Maybe we should start a
Magic
duo.
show, yeah.
Like I disappear, ping, and then you
And
go-
I'm like, people just hit me. Oh, I would be a really good boxer then.
exactly.
Nobody could ever
Yeah.
defeat me. Or even better, if like going to war, they shoot at me, I absorb the kinetic energy of a bullet. It's like, yeah,
Whatever.
what are you gonna do about it? Nothing. Absolutely
Strong.
nothing. I'm strong, so I get also stronger and faster. So the harder the impact is, the more kinetic energy I absorb.
Yeah.
So I could be like pulling out a tree with my own, with one hand,
Crazy.
scratching my back with it.
That'd be cool. That'd be awesome.
Yeah, that's a. I thought it was a good question because superpowers. Come on, guys. Who doesn't love superpowers?
Exactly.
Even you girls, admit it. You like it. You like those Superman? Yeah, with their
And them
stretch
tight-
bodies, with their
yeah,
spandex, with
tight
their
suits.
tight suits.
The
Oh.
cape,
Yeah,
crazy cape.
yeah. Admit it. You love it. Anyway, what would you choose
Yeah.
and why? Please leave a comment down below, and we will appreciate it.
Yeah.
And we will definitely read it. And
You'll interact with it.
exactly. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the scenery and just a lot of sunshine on our faces. Anyway, see you next time.